So now I am going to be showing you guys the nail matrix. This is her monomer here. She did send me some of her acrylics. Let me go ahead and grab those really quick. Okay guys, so I am going to be reviewing the nail matrix monomer, and I'm also going to be trying out her acrylics that she sent to me. I did an unboxing recently, and now I am going to be trying out her monomer. She said that this monomer that she sent me, made by her, this monomer is low odor. That is one of the biggest things that a lot of nail techs complain about when they are working in independent small spaces, is the monomer is loud. Okay guys, like it's very strong. I personally like to use Young Nails. I personally don't feel like Young Nails is that loud, but I mean, I've been using it for the past 2 years, so I'm pretty much used to it. But I am going to try out her monomer, see how it works for me as a nail tech, and I'm also going to try out her acrylic colors and see what they look like. So initially I'm going to just open this and see what it smells like and all that good shenanigans. So I'm going to open it and see, like me literally putting like my nose on it. Of course it's strong, but overall, let me turn on. Overall, it's not, it smells kind of like watermelon. It kind of does. Maybe that's just me. That's what that smells like. I'm gonna smell my Young Nails really quick and see like the difference. Okay. We are getting high on this side today. I don't know. Again, like I said, I'm probably used to the Young Nails. I personally feel like my Young Nails isn't as loud, but again, it could just be my nose. But initially when I opened it, it didn't smell as strong, but then when I smelled my Young Nails and then went back, it's pretty loud. It has a scent of like watermelon or something, but it is kind of loud, just like mine, but we'll give it a try anyways. I'm going to pour out just a little bit. I don't want to use too much. I'm one for not wasting products, so give me 1 second. I'm going to set up and then we're going to go ahead and look at this monomer. Okay, so I just poured some of the monomer, and now that more is out the bottle, it doesn't smell as like strong. I don't know if that makes sense, guys. Like, it doesn't smell as strong as it did in the bottle, if that makes sense, but it doesn't smell. It kind of smells more like the watermelon smell that I was telling you guys about. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lay out my paper towel. I am going to take out my brush. I think I'm going to use my size 10 acrylic brush real quick. I want to start off and try this monomer with my Young Nails speed acrylic. One of the reasons why I want to try that first with this monomer is because I always use it. So I want to see if it's a good consistency with this monomer and see how it lays. So let's just go ahead and lay out that stuff real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so I am about to try out the monomer with, hold on 1 second. About to try out the monomer with my speed acrylic. Let's see how well it lays. Okay, it's laying a little bit differently than with my Young Nails monomer. I wasn't able to really, let's try this one more time, hold on. Let me try and see if it's my bead consistency. This is my 30-second one that I use. So I just noticed using a wetter bead with this monomer is probably what I'm going to have to do if I want to use it, but it doesn't seem bad at all. I just have to use a little bit more monomer than I typically would. My monomer to powder ratio is definitely different using this. noticing, but I am noticing I am going to have to use a wetter bead when it comes to using this monomer. It's not bad though. I'm just playing with it for a second, guys. Not too bad, not too shabby. Not too shabby, girl. Okay. So that is what it is like with my Young Nails acrylic. Just a quick little application, really quick. I don't have anything to say negative about it. Again, like the smell, I'm probably super used to smelling a monomer. That's bad. So I really can't smell anything. I probably would have to take it home to see if anybody else can smell it. But I personally don't. One thing I'm noticing with my Young Nails speed acrylic, which is 30 seconds, I just have to use a wetter bead to get the same effect that I would with my Young Nails monomer. So that is one thing I have noticed that is a little bit different. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try out her acrylics. I'm going to start with my favorite, and I saw this on Miss Gel Galore, her Instagram. It's called Mimosa Me. It's a very, very pretty pigmented orange color. The colors that she sent me, you guys can see the initial review and see what these colors look like. They're very, very pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and just see how the monomer reacts to the acrylic color. And also I wanna see what this acrylic color is looking like, because it's very pretty. I really liked how it looked on Miss Gel Galore. I'm going to just go ahead and lift that for a second. See how it just, ooh. Sorry guys. That is, it's buttery, it's buttery, it's buttery, it's buttery. Now that monomer with this, the monomer with the powder combo, girl, like I feel a difference with your product. And okay, so we're gonna apply the Mimosa Me to the nail tip real quick. I'm not gonna do a whole bead method and shit that's wasting people's time. Ooh, this is really nice consistency. A little runnier. Monomer, I'm just gonna have to get used to if I do use it. Not too bad. I like this color, guys. This is a pretty good color. I'm gonna do this again. Do another bead. Get a full coverage. Ooh. See, that's one thing I will say about using different monomers and stuff. Like the consistency and the ratio is definitely different. Like this is very wet for me and runny. I'm kind of used to working a little bit faster, so I might have to dry my bead. Everything is just adjusting to. But I really like this orange colored orange, and it's got a really pretty glitter to it. So again, it's a little bit runnier for me. Again, I move pretty fast. So, oh, we can see here, it doesn't dry that fast because I'm still able to move my acrylic here at the bottom of the tip. So that is a little concerning to me. I like the color, girl. I like this color, but that is a little concerning to me because I do move pretty fast. I'm just wondering if it would slide. That's my only thing. Because I do have this one red color by Glam and Glitz that literally takes forever to freaking dry. And my client literally has to sit like this because if she moves her hand, that acrylic is sliding. I literally move too fast. But this is what the color looks like, guys. This is really... Ooh, you can really see that shimmer. Okay, so this next color that we're doing is, of course, the I Don't Want No Scrub. TLC had a terrible deal, yes they did. It was the main scrubs. But anyways, we get into the colors. Okay, this is really pretty. This is giving me like Tinkerbell. So So I'm gonna just apply it. I don't want to waste these colors because you know how I feel about wasting product. So I was gonna put it on a tip, but I think I'm gonna just put it on the paper towel because I literally can see what it looks like. So I don't want to waste any of this product because I made like this color type of thing, you know what I'm saying? So I'm going to go ahead and pick up a nice pretty lead. I like how I'm able to get a lot. I really like this. And it's smooth as butter. Like, it is smooth as butter. Again, my consistency, like my ratio is definitely going to have to change because my beads are very, very wet with this monomer. But I'm also sitting here too. I don't smell anything. Again, that is really nice color. Again, like I said, I might be just used to it, but I usually can't smell monomer when I'm using it. And to be honest, I don't really smell anything. I don't really smell anything. Granted, like I said, I'm gonna take this home and see if people at home can smell it, but again, I'm not really smelling anything. So we're gonna go on to the next color. So I love men without the N. So we're gonna try out this color. I think this is a blue color. Oh shit. Okay, so I'm going to try out this blue color here. This one is kind of shimmery too. Ooh, this is very pigmented and different. Pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. More pigmented, I can tell. Deeper, a deeper blue. This is very pretty. It's giving me like ocean vibes. Definitely ocean vibes, most def. I'm gonna make another bead. It picks up very nicely. It picks up very nicely. Yeah, I like this consistency of this monomer. I like to do that sometimes on my paper towel just to see how well the acrylic is. Because some acrylic can be like chalky like or like gummy like, and I want to see like, will this be a good marbling type of acrylic for me? I like to do my own marbles. I know that the DRIPPYNAILZ does have marbling acrylics, but you guys know I'm really good on my marbling with 2 different acrylic colors. So I just wanted to see if I would probably get that same effect. But you can clearly see that it does take this acrylic a little bit longer to dry than I am used to. Again, I am used to quicker drying acrylic. So I think this is pretty good for like beginners because I'm still able to, yeah, I can still move this acrylic even after I've applied it. But overall, I really like these colors. These are really pretty colors. Again, by TheNailMatrix. And she gives you guys a lot. She gives you a large consistency of acrylic powders, which is really like a plus because a lot of brands are very stingy when it comes to giving you colors. Overall, I'll say when it comes to these colors, I really like these colors.